Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to show you how to make Kashmiri Matsche. Kashmiri Matsche are oblong shaped mutton meatballs and are a refreshing change to the regular meatballs. These are minced meat shaped into oblong or cylindrical shape and cooked in Kashmiri hot spices. So let's get started. For making this, I have taken 1 kilogram of minced meat that I have slightly minced again at home. Then I have taken mustard oil 3 to 4 teaspoons. This is important that you have to take mustard oil for this dish. Salt around 1.5 teaspoon. Dry ginger powder 1 teaspoon. Black cardamom powder. I have taken around 3 cardamoms that I have crushed. So here we can see. A pinch of green cardamom powder, it's optional, you can skip it, and cumin seed powder, or you can take whole cumin seeds around 1 teaspoon. This is also optional, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder. The important ingredients for marination are mustard oil, salt, ginger powder, black cardamom powder and red chili powder. So these ingredients are important at this stage. Rest can be skipped, like cumin seed powder and green cardamom powder, that we can skip at this stage. Now we have to keep this for marination. For that we will add spices, chili powder, cumin seed powder, dry ginger powder, black cardamom powder and green cardamom powder. And salt too. Then we will mix it. We have to mix it we have to knead it so that all the spices are mixed properly with the mince. So here you can see, and slowly I'll be adding the mustard oil. So here you can see I'll be adding mustard oil. So around 1 teaspoon first, I'll mix it, then I'll be adding the remaining. We'll keep mixing it properly, and I have added the remaining mustard oil also, so that we can form shapes. Here you can see. So everything's mixed properly, all the spices and mince is mixed properly. So now we will shape them, and for that I have greased my hand with oil, or you can use water also. Then you have to start shaping them. It's like cylindrical or oblong shape, you can say, but make sure to make slightly bigger because they tend to shrink in gravy when we cook them. So you have to make slightly bigger. Place them on a tray and then they will go in the fridge. Either you can keep this mixture in the fridge and then shape them later. So for half an hour we have to keep them in the fridge. So here you can see I'm almost done. So in the last few I just placed an almond, so it gives like a surprise, it gives good taste. So here I'm placing an almond. This is an optional, if you feel like adding you can just place 1 almond. And now they are ready to go in the fridge. So you can do it both ways. Either you can keep after shaping them in the fridge, or you can just keep the mixture in the fridge for half an hour and then take out and shape them, but half an hour is enough for them. So till then we'll keep gravy ready. So I have taken around 150 milliliter of mustard oil, and you have to be generous with oil, and you have to take mustard oil only because it tastes best in this gravy. 1 bay leaf, 8 to 10 green cardamoms, 2 cinnamon sticks, 4 to 5 cloves, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 black cardamoms, 1.5 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, or you can adjust according to your taste, 1 teaspoon of dry ginger powder, half a teaspoon of hing or asafoetida, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, that's optional but it gives a good taste, gives a good flavor, and 4 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. So it has a very deep red color, but it's not hot, and I'm using Kashmiri lal mirch. And now I have heated up the oil. Then I'll be adding spices. So for mustard oil, you have to make it reach to smoke point. That I have already done. And then here I have heated it up and added all the whole spices. We'll saute them. Once they are sauteed, then we will be adding other spices that include fennel seed powder, ginger powder, red chili powder, and hing too. And I'm not adding garam masala here, that I'll be adding later. So once I add red chili powder, I'll be adding a teaspoon of water so that this red chili powder doesn't burn. So I'm adding around half a cup of water here, and then I'll be adding musk to this that we had kept in fridge. So I'll be adding them one by one. Now I'll give it a good mix, and I'm not using spoon so that they won't break. So here you can see I'll just mix them properly. And then keep it like this for here. The flame is high now, and then I'll be adding water. So because we have not cooked them yet, so we have to add good amount of water. So I'll be adding around 3 glasses of water. Then I'm adding salt also, and then I'll be adding water. So I have added around 3 glasses of water, and I will cover it, and we have to be careful with stirring it so that they don't break. And now for around 25 minutes I'll keep it on high flame, and then I'll keep it on low flame for 10 minutes. And salt also you can check. So I'm adding more salt here, so you can adjust according to your taste. So after around 25 minutes on high flame, here you can see. So now I'll keep them on low flame for 10 minutes, and at this stage I'll be adding garam masala. So I'll add garam masala and cover it again and keep it on low flame for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes on low flame, I'll turn off the flame, and here you can see the matzche is ready. Served hot with rice, and it tastes heavenly. So here I have dished it out. Here you can see it's simply irresistible. Give this recipe a try. Let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.